Welcome to the SAT School Learning Management System. Class 3, Subject Mathematics, Chapter number 1, Numbers. I'm your teacher Amber Apple. Today's subtopic is forward counting. Learning outcome. At the end of the topic, students will be able to read and write forward counting. Before starting the topic, we should know about numbers. Can you tell me what are numbers? Okay. A number is a mathematical object used to count, measure, and label. The original numbers are the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Before starting the forward counting, we should know the facts regarding the number system. So we all know that smallest one digit number is 0. Some people say that smallest one digit number is 1. These two facts are both correct. If we take 0 as smallest one digit number, we say that it is a whole number. If we take 1 as the smallest one digit number, we say that this is natural number. So biggest one digit number is 9. These numbers make decimal number system. If we add one digit to 9, we get 10. That is smallest two digit number. Biggest two digit number is 99. And add 1, we get the smallest three digit number, that is 100. Greatest three digit number is 999. If add 1, we get 1000, that is smallest four digit number. The greatest four digit number is 9999. If add 1, we get 10,000, that is smallest five digit number. Houses of numbers. As we all know that there are three parts of three digit number: ones, tens, and hundreds. When we talk about four digit number, we have four parts: ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. For example, in four digit number, we have four parts: ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. If we look the chart carefully, we observe that here this chart is mainly divided into two groups or two houses: ones and thousands. Ones further divided into sub houses, that is ones, tens, and hundreds. And thousand is dividing into just one sub house, that is thousand. Because we are talking about four digit number, so thousand is divided into just one sub house, that is thousand. But basically, just like ones, it has two more sub houses, that is called 10,000 and 100,000. And this 10,000 and 100,000 will discuss in higher grades. Let's forward counting. What comes after 1000? Let's recall what comes after 100. You have in this series 1 stands 100 written over here, and 100 is here, and 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, and 109. You have observed that in one's column digits keeps on increasing by 1 and the other digits remain same. So the digits in the ones column increasing by 1 and digits on the left hand side remain same. Same is the case with 1000. In this chart, the counting starts from 1000, and on the right hand side, digits are keep on increasing by 1 digit, and on the left hand side, digits are remaining same. So what comes after 1000? 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, and 1009. What will happen after 1009? 9 will change to 0, and 100 will change to 101. So 1010 will be the new number, and we say that 1010. After 1010, 1011. What comes after 1011? 1012, 1013, and so on. So we proceed in the same manner. We come to 1099. What will come after 1099? What comes after 1099? 9 turns into 0, and what comes after 109? 110. So the new number is 1100. What comes after 1199? Here again 9 turns into 0, and what comes after 119? 120. So the 1200 is the new number. What comes after 1999? Again here 9 turns into 0, and what comes after 199? 200. So the new number is 2000. What comes after 4999? Again 9 turns into 0, and what comes after 499? 500. So the new number is 5000. Similarly, what comes after 9998? So what comes after 8? 9, and 999 remains same. So what comes after 9998? 9999. Okay. What comes after 9999? Here again we do the same process. 9 turns into 0, and what comes after 999? We know that 1000. So the new number is 10,000. Quiz time. So the question 1 is, what is number? Options are counting object, measuring object, labeling object, all of these. Okay. Yes, you are right. All of these. All of these. Good job. Okay. What comes after 4,200? 4,210, 4,209, 4,202, 4,201. Yes. Very good. The correct answer is 4,201. Well done. Okay. Next question is, what comes after 5,299? The options are 5,200, 5,300, 5,310, 5,290. Okay. The correct answer is 5,300. Great job. What comes after 6,559? The options are 6,550, 6,560, 6,561, 6,562. Yes. The correct answer is 6,560. Good job. So the question is, what comes after 9,999? The options are 1,000, 9,991, 9,990, 10,000. Okay. So the correct answer is 10,000. Well done. Thank you so much.